So today we'll be making a trendy dolman handkerchief flay. So we'll start by cutting down the flay first. So after I must have minus my half length from my desired length, I'll divide my waist by 2.68. My waist is 33. I divide it by 6.28. I have 5.4. So I'll mark it round. From that point, I will take my desired length measurement. So you see how I folded my fabric. So I will use the longer part as my long side, which is 30 inches. I'll use the short part as my 23. Yeah. So now you can see how I'm placing the tape from the point that I marked to the point that I want my length to stop, which is 23. So after I must have marked that, I will take it to the other side and mark my 30 inches like so. You can see me doing that. From there, I'll mark my 30 inches like so. So after I'm done with that, I'll go to the other part. You see the other two folded parts is short, so I'm using the both sides as my short side, which is 23, then the two long parts, which is 30 inches. So this is how I'm going to mark it, then connect it. After that, I'll just connect it with my ruler and then cut it out. I guess you guys understood what I said very well. Just follow this step and you will get it perfectly well. So once I'm done with that, I will cut out the waist first before cutting the length. You see me doing that. Just cut it perfect so that no side will be bigger than the other. So now I'm cutting the length. I've already used my pin to hold the part so that it will not be shifting, it will not be moving, so that everything will be equal. At this junction, I wanted to cut, but I said no, let me not cut it. I'll just do it. I just want to allow it to be like that. I want to place it like that. I don't want it to have opening. That's how I want my own to be. So you can see the flay now. You can see the handkerchief flay. You can see how it's coming out already. So that is it. Over to the upper part. Now I'm done with the down part, the flay part. The handkerchief flay at that. I'm done. So now to the upper part, I folded my fabric into 4. You can see that it's into 4. So I actually am managing my fabric, trying to know if it will be enough for me, because after cutting the flay, I discovered that what is remaining is not much. So I'm trying to know if it will reach me, but it will. So I've marked my shoulder 8 inches. What is remaining, I think, is 8 inches or 7.5 inches. I'm going to use that as my sleeve. It's cut together. Then I'll come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. Under the 1 inch, I'll mark my sleeve opening as 10 inches. Then I'll connect. So from here, I'll take from where my sleeve opening ends, that's where I will take my bust measurement. So my bust is 39, but I'm making it 40. So 10 inches plus 2 inches allowance. Then I'll take my half length. My half length is 15 inches. I will extend the same thing I got from my waist to the half length. Then I will curve the armhole like so. You can see there is no much difference. It's actually as the same as bubu, as easy as that. It's very very easy to cut. So then I will mark my neck opening. I want it to be 7 inches because I want it to be open, not want it to give me that fitting. Like if I want to push it to the other side, I can push it. So I mark 7. I'll mark my back as 1, my front as 1.5. I'm not supposed to open it though. I just want to like give it a small opening so that it will not be hooking me, to not be choking my neck. So I just give it a little opening. You can see me doing that. So after that, I'll just fold the neck. So you can see after I finish cutting it, I just folded it like so, folded the neck like so. You can see how it's coming out. I've already folded the shoulder as well, so you can see it. So at this junction, I think I'm almost done. See how I folded it. So this is what I'm going to use for the sleeve turning. I'll turn the sleeve because you know it's not that long, so I'm going to turn it. So after I finish turning it, look at how it came out, looking so beautiful. You know how I turn it? Just place it on top and then like sew it around. So this. So now I'm just going to take it to my machine, join the flay that I've already cut. So guys, if you have watched to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like my video. Thank you.